In today's digital landscape, cyber threats are more prevalent than ever before. With data breaches, phishing attacks, and hacking attempts on the rise, companies need more than just a password to protect their sensitive information. That's where MFA-as-a-Service comes into play. But what exactly is MFA-as-a-Service, and how can it benefit your organization? Let's dive in and find out. What is MFA-as-a-Service? MFA stands for multi-factor authentication, and it's a security system that requires users to provide multiple forms of identification before accessing sensitive systems, data, or applications. These forms, or factors, typically include a combination of something you know, like a password, something you have, like a smartphone for receiving one-time passcodes, something you are, such as a fingerprint or facial recognition. Now, MFA-as-a-Service, or MFA-as, takes this concept a step further. It's essentially a cloud-based solution where an external provider manages your organization's multi-factor authentication needs. Instead of relying on in-house infrastructure, MFA-as-a-Service allows companies to offload the complexity and technical aspects of securing their systems to a dedicated third-party provider. This means businesses of all sizes can benefit from robust, scalable authentication without the headache of managing servers, installing hardware, or constantly updating security protocols. MFA-as-a-Service operates entirely in the cloud, so it's easy to integrate, deploy, and maintain. How does MFA-as-a-Service work? With MFA-as-a-Service, users log into an application or platform using their credentials. After entering a username and password, the MFA service kicks in by prompting a second layer of authentication. This could be a push notification to your mobile device, a text message with a one-time passcode, or even biometric authentication. The beauty of MFA-as lies in its flexibility. It can integrate with almost any application, whether cloud-based or on-premises, and can support various authentication methods. From SMS codes to app-based authentication like Google Authenticator, MFA-as-a-Service offers multiple ways to verify a user's identity, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access critical systems. Benefits of MFA-as-a-Service. So what are the real benefits of MFA-as-a-Service? Let's break it down. Benefit 1. Enhanced security. MFA-as-a-Service dramatically improves security. With multiple layers of authentication, it becomes exponentially harder for attackers to breach your systems. Even if a password is compromised, the hacker still needs to bypass an additional layer of protection, such as your smartphone or biometric data. This multi-layered approach is a strong deterrent against phishing attacks, brute force login attempts, and unauthorized access. Easy implementation and scalability. One of the key advantages of MFA-as-a-Service is its ease of implementation. Since it's cloud-based, there's no need to invest in hardware or complex IT setups. The service provider handles everything from infrastructure to updates, so your team can focus on other critical tasks. And as your business grows, the service scales with you. Whether you have 50 employees or 5,000, MFA-as-a-Service can adapt to your needs without breaking a sweat. Cost efficiency. Cost savings is another major benefit. With traditional MFA systems, you'd need to invest in servers, hardware tokens, and dedicated IT personnel to maintain everything. But with MFA-as-a-Service, you only pay for what you use. The subscription-based model means you can avoid large upfront costs, and the service provider takes care of updates, maintenance, and technical support. This makes MFA-as-a-Service particularly appealing for small and medium-sized businesses that want top-tier security without the financial burden. Improved user experience. While security is critical, user experience shouldn't be overlooked. MFA-as-a-Service is designed to make authentication quick and painless. Features like push notifications or biometric verification streamline the login process, ensuring users don't feel overwhelmed by multiple security steps. This balance of security and convenience helps maintain productivity while keeping your systems safe. In a world where data breaches can cripple a company's reputation and finances, MFA-as-a-Service offers a simple yet powerful solution to bolster your security posture. It provides the flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency that modern businesses need, all while keeping hackers at bay. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, MFA-as-a-Service is a smart investment that ensures your organization stays secure in an increasingly digital and connected world. So, is your business ready to make the leap to MFA as a service? The future of secure authentication is already here. Will you be a part of it?